Hello, beautiful people, LosingDrea, and hopefully this is a recording because I cannot see without my glasses on, but I have a ring light that I'm using and it's making a bag of glare on my glasses as it did in the last video that I filmed for you guys. Any case, hopefully it is recording. Hey guys, if you like my video, please give me a thumbs up. It really helps me out and it lets other people know that there is a video that I created that they might also enjoy. I really appreciate it. Also, if you haven't already done so, please hit the subscribe button down below and ring the bell so you can be notified of all new videos as I put them out to you. Today is the end of week 1 of both of the challenges that I am entered into this week. I have the Keto Diamond 10-pound challenge that I entered. It started August 1st, and also that started August 1st was Princess, Nija, and Keto's Turtle Trifecta challenge. I'm just in a challenge. For me, it helps to participate. For me, it helps me to challenge myself, not so much as being in a competition against anyone, because if anybody knows about competitions, challenges, and this, that, and the other thing, none of our bodies are the same. None of us act or react the same to the same foods, the same things. Some of us might be heavier than others, which might give us a little bit of a advantage, more or less, because the heavier you are, at least in my experience, the heavier I was, the more weight that I lost in the very beginning. And as I gradually started to lose weight, I wasn't losing as much weight. Also, age plays a big part in it, and your activity level. Everybody's different. Some people have kids they run after. Some people just sit down on their butt all day, all night at a sit-down job. If I didn't say it, my name is Drea. If you're not challenging yourself, you're not changing. I'm not doing vlogist with everybody else and doing daily videos because I don't have time to do daily videos. I try to do daily videos every now and again for one reason or another. I had really good results with that, and I got down to the lowest I had been in a very, very long time, which was 227 pounds. Well, let's get back to this challenge. Now, this challenge, I did body measurements, which I will put in the show notes below. If you haven't already clicked on the like button, please do so now. I really appreciate it. If you haven't already subscribed, please hit the subscribe button down below. If you are also entered in either one of these challenges that I've mentioned and your name does not appear in the links and list below of links to you guys, I might not have yet joined your channel. Please do join my channel and let me know so that I can subscribe back to you, because that's what we're all doing. It's helping each other out in this community. It gives each other motivation and support. And I do try and watch all of your videos as you upload them and give you a little bit of encouragement and motivation. You know, my days go good. I wake up, I have a coffee, or I wake up and I have a little breakfast, and then I get to work. But I work nights. I'm very busy, I'm very stressed out, but I'm not using that as an excuse, because stress or no stress, I need to be in control. Okay. I'm always a big proponent of be the boss of your loss, be the boss of your loss, which means basically you're taking control. And then I don't take control. Then yesterday I went to Publix, and Publix has all the keto things that you could want, pretty much. I mean, within reason. They have like the Rebel ice creams and the Halo Tops and all that. And I have heard that Rebel ice cream is good, and I love ice cream. And I ended up giving my mom a little bit of my coffee chip, it was called. But for the most part, I ate the rest of it when I went to sleep this morning. And that's when I'm finding myself really hungry, is in the mornings. I get up, I'm done from work, I'm getting ready to head to bed. It's like 6, 7 o'clock in the morning. I'm letting my dogs out, and I'm waiting for them. And I end up in the kitchen, and there I am, not only giving them their little treats for going out and being good boy and girl, but I'm eating some crap, and I hate to do it, and I try to have control and be the boss of my loss and not do it. And last night, or should I say this morning, the funny part is I really wasn't even that hungry. And yet I started eating, and once I started, I couldn't stop myself. So that's what happened there. And I had a hamburger with cheese on it that was left over from the other night. It was a grass-fed hamburger. It was absolutely delicious, in 30 seconds in the microwave, because I have a high-powered microwave. And it was hot enough and melty enough that it was so good. I ate the whole thing, and then I got into that ice cream. And there you have it. But what I will say is last week I was 230.8 pounds.
It's 3:23 p.m.
Alexa, what's today's date?
Today is Thursday, August 1st.
230.8. And this week, I'm 230.4 pounds. Alexa, what's today's date?
It's Thursday, August 8th.
Alexa, what time is it?
It's 3:36 p.m.
Alexa, thank you.
Anytime. I hope your day's been good so far.
230.4. Apparently not budging much after what I ate yesterday and this morning. I'll take it. So I'm actually down 4 ounces. Yay. I guess a loss is a loss. I'm not going to look a gift horse in the mouth. I'm not going to complain about it. Obviously, I have a loss. Could I have done better? Absolutely. I was down to 227 pounds when I was doing the last challenge for Joanie. So, of course I could have done better. I need to get back down to the 227s and out of the 230s. I thought I was out of the 230s and down far enough that I would never go back up again. But I don't know. I got this harebrained idea that I'm just going to eat meat and meat and meat. And let me tell you guys, the carnivore diet does work. I've seen it time and time and time again. But I've also seen where people have gained some weight and then got frustrated and stopped doing it, and therefore it didn't work for them. I know that I'm going to have this period of up and downs, but during a challenge, it's kind of a little upsetting to me because I know I can do better during the challenge, and should I be doing that? I don't know. Probably not. But now I've got a whole fridge full of steaks that have to get eaten. I have some organ meats, which I don't know how I feel about that, but I picked up some kidneys yesterday, and there's got to be some sort of a special dish that some ethnicity makes. I don't know, a tribe or something, but I'm going to actually try my best to eat the organ meats. And if I don't eat them, I'll cook them for my dogs. They were extremely cheap. They were only like $2 and some change there for a huge package of beef kidney. And I don't know. I've eaten chicken gizzards recently, or chicken livers, and they weren't as bad as I thought. I've made them in butter with a lot of pink Himalayan salt, and they were actually pretty good. The texture was a little bit less than to be desired for me. I am a definite texture girl, all about the texture. But yeah, I did my measurements from last week to this week. I do have some changes in some of my parts, but not all of them. You'll see them in the list down below. I don't know how I will compare them. I'm not a good measurer, guys, okay? I use one of these. I bought it, I think it was like $1.50, $1.60 on Amazon, on a Prime. It's made of like some sort of a heavy-duty plastic material with a little metal clasp thingy on it. And it's just a, American Standard 1-inch tape measure, and that's what I used. My shirts are still XXL. My bra is a sports bra 2X, same as XXL when you look at it, and my pants are size 18. So that's where I'm at. That's what I've been doing. That's everything rolled up into one huge video. But I love you guys so, so very much. Be happy, be healthy, be beautiful, but just be you, be the boss of your loss if you're on a weight loss journey. And I will definitely be seeing each and every one of you in my next video. And don't forget, next week, Thursday, will be another challenge weigh-in video. Bye, guys. Be blessed. Mwah. Hey, guys. LosingDrea here. And today, it is weigh-in day for the... And basically, and I don't know where to look in my camera, and my ring light is shining in my eyeballs.